Today we're unboxing Grater Rain and showing you how to set it up and use it like a pro. First off, the packaging looks amazing. Inside, you'll find a thank you card with a QR code. You can scan it to share your feedback with us. Now let's look at what's inside. When you receive your Grater Rain, this is what it'll look like. If you ordered the full unit with an extra lower housing, you'll see both here. If not, this compartment will have a placeholder card instead. You'll also find the base here. Under the complete unit, you'll find the instruction manual and your Type-C charging cable, usually tucked underneath the base. The base can be used to store the top motor if you want to place it on a kitchen counter. Oh, and if you got the extra lower housing, you can use it to store different things, like cheese in one and chocolate in the other. The extra blades for Grater Rain are conveniently stored inside the lower housing. Simply remove the cap by pulling it off. Twist it open. Inside, you'll find the additional grating discs securely placed, ready to be swapped out as needed. If these two marks are aligned, it's locked. To open, twist to the right until the marks are no longer aligned and pull it apart. This is the motor. Keep it away from water. And here's the lower housing where the cheese goes. To change the blades, take the cap that seals the lower housing off, twist it open, and choose what blade you want to use. To open the lower housing, follow the markings on the top of it, twist it, then tap gently to open it up. Unscrew the retaining cap and place your blade of choice into the lower housing with the sharp side facing inwards. Make sure the ridges sit well with the blade. Like this. If they don't, then the retaining cap won't screw on securely or easily. Screw the retaining lid back on tightly now that the blade is in position. Add your cheese. It works well with hard cheeses. You can also use soft cheeses, but they might come out a little mushy at times or get stuck in the blades. Press it down gently with the palm of your hand and lock the housing back in place until you hear it click. Now, align the motor with the markings on the housing, twist to secure it, and you're ready to grate. Now press this button and grate away. Mine is coming out coarse because I'm using the coarse grating disc. You can choose your grating style by changing the disc. Once you're done grating, twist it open. Place your top motor in the base, then seal your lower housing with the cap and store it in your fridge to use later. Now let's tackle some common questions we've gotten from users. Tight blade cap. If the blade cap lid is too tight for you, put it in hot water. That should do the trick. Then twist it to open. If it still won't open, just give it a few gentle taps and it should open right away. Stuck sealing cap. If the sealing cap is stuck to the lower housing for you, you can gently pry it off with a screwdriver and it should come off easily. Misaligned cap and ridge. Unscrew both together and then gently pull the cap off. Then screw the ridge back on. And that's it. Grater Rain is easy to use, super versatile, and makes food prep a breeze. We've covered common concerns like alignment, cleaning, and setup. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments or email Jimmy@graterrain.com.